ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I am Professor A. Balasubramanian from the University of Mysore, giving you the inaugural remarks and introductory speech of this faculty improvement program organized by the University of Mysore and the Government First Grade College, K.R. Nagar. I am happy to give you the inaugural and introductory remarks on online teaching and learning during this occasion today. My dear and respectful Professor M. Prasanna Kumar, the Principal, Government First Grade College, K.R. Nagar, Dr. Siddappa Madar, Course Convener, Government First Grade College, K.R. Nagar, Dr. Prakasha N., the IQSC Coordinator of the Government First Grade College, K.R. Nagar, Professor N.S. Harinarayana, the Course Coordinator and the Director of IQSC, University of Mysore. I am thankful to all of you for having given me this opportunity to talk to you during this occasion. Respected dignitaries who are present online and also in the seminar hall of the college, and the delegates attending this one-week faculty development program on online teaching tools and e-content development jointly organized by the University of Mysore, Internal Quality Assurance Cell and the Government First Grade College, K.R. Nagar. I understand that this course is scheduled from 18th to 23rd September 2020 and it covers the modules like online teaching tools, e-content development, preparation of PowerPoint presentations, video recording and editing, online monitoring and evaluation of e-content, and open educational resources that are useful for our academic system. You all may be aware that for today's teaching, learning and evaluation, we need to use today's technology. The situation wants it to be used not as an option. The situation wants it to be used not as an option but as compulsion. Necessity makes us to use this compulsorily today. Some 20 years before, to purchase one pH meter of 5,000 to 6,000 rupees, teachers in colleges and universities were waiting for UGC grants to come. But today, we use laptops, desktops, mobile phones, which are costlier than a pH meter, and many of them were purchased by us personally. Today, we use all the electronic gadgets for several purposes. Even though they are costly, everybody has procured them. Sometimes our teachers may have two mobile phones, students may have two mobile phones, one for incoming calls, another one for outgoing calls. Now, multimedia technology is in our own hand as mobile devices. Some years back, to conduct one video conference, we had to use ISDN line and video phones. To take one photograph, we used camera and cameraman. But today, everybody is a camera operator, including children. Teachers started conducting online classes. Online classes have both advantages and disadvantages. Online methods can supplement our teaching processes very effectively. It is not a substitute, but it is a supplementary tool for our higher education. Our government has created a lot of e-learning resources. Some of them are available under Swayam and MOOC platforms. From the University of Mysore, we have also developed a lot of e-contents in many subjects since 2004. We also have conducted online classes through EduSat, educational satellite. People say that online resources can be used anytime, anywhere. You can see that people sitting in different places, they are attending online programs. But it doesn't mean that you have to go to the rooftop to do this. But everywhere, anywhere, you can use online methodologies to understand. It is a well-known fact that a picture or animation is worthful of 1,000 words. But a picture may also distract the attention of the students. That is why we should control the focus of students inside the classroom, physically and mentally, and allow them to progress in their knowledge. Many people all over the globe have become knowledge resource creators. Today, there are several million web portals giving learning materials, databases, analyzed information for human consumption. But remember, on reading and browsing these web portal informations, not all people can understand everything. A teacher's explanation can alone make a student to understand certain critical aspects very easily, because the method of approach adopted by a teacher will be based on certain pedagogy. If the presentation of a lecture module is made in the form of a good PPT format, then things will be more interesting and the materials will be reusable over a period of time with little modifications. Teachers developed a lot of pedagogical methods over a period of time. Today, there are 150 methods of teaching, out of which only a few methods may be adopted by us. Online teaching tools are many, but we use still a few methods of online teaching methods. Proper planning and preparations are needed for quality delivery of content. You might have seen that somebody is lecturing online from their house. At the same time, if you see the backside of that person, the family members may be moving around at the backside, or some noisy discussions may be going on at the background. Sometimes the angle of the camera may not be properly fixed during lecturing. The lighting also may not be adequate for the lecturer's face to be seen by the students. Many online classes are not satisfactory due to poor understanding of the technology, poor understanding of the hardware capabilities, and lack of knowledge of the software. Hence, this program, organized by the Government First Grade College of KR Nagar, will be more appropriate for the teachers and organized at the right time now, so that the future depends on these types of programs. The efforts taken by the members of organizing committees will be certainly giving you more ideas to use them in your academic life. As one of the task force committee members of e-content development at national level, I feel happy to say a few words during this occasion. I hope that during this program, many of you will be getting a lot of informations, a lot of inputs related to online teaching resources, learning resources, evaluation resources. I wish you all success in this program. Thank you very much.